So now we will jump to the code part and we'll create a RAG application using a Spring AI. So you can see that our application is running on 8080 port. The next step is loading your company related document or private document which you want to pass to LLM models. So for that we'll create a config class. The first line is like it will fetch the document from this location, and inside this manual txt whatever content I will provide, that will be stored in the database. So I have pasted a leave policy of some organization. From the next time whenever I'll ask any questions related to leave policy, it should not go to the Google or any public data. It will fetch from this library or this document. Next step will be split those document in form of chunks. So here in step 3 it will embed and store your chunk data in vector store database. But still model is not aware about the private data which is available in this manual.txt file. But first we'll see, like, without that private library, how this AI student is behaving. What is our company leave policy? So we'll hit this request. Okay, so after hitting the request you see that we are getting to provide you more accurate information about your company leave policy. So I will say it's not hallucinating, it is giving you the proper response, because whatever you are asking, it's a private data, it's not available on the public internet. So now you will see the real magic of RAG. For that we have made some changes in our code, that we will use this vector store, create the object or a bean of vector store here in this controller. And in the chat client, if you see that we are using advisors, and in advisors we are using this question answer advisors. So using that it will do all the magic. It will go to the vector database, it will get the details related to your query, it will find relevant details related to your query. If there is any response, then it will return it in the final response. Now we'll import this class. So now your private library is connected to the AI model. So for the same query, we should get all these response in our query. If we are getting, means RAG connectivity is working. And let's hit this request. Now we got the response. So now it's saying our company leave policy includes several types of leave: annual leave, sick leave, casual leave, maternity leave. Now it is fetching your document. So this is how RAG works.